we need to talk about why phonics is such a big deal. Look, my dear friends, phonics isn't just another class. It is the sacred decoder ring for English. It gives you the foundational tools you absolutely need to read and spell anything in English, right? So I have narrowed it down to the four crucial reasons you or your child need to nail this skill. So if you're ready to find out why, definitely I am here to give you the answer. Um, See, first up, you learn how to decode. That means phonics shows you the link between the letters you see and the sounds you hear. Instead of just trying to memorize a old word, you can finally sound it out. If you want, you can take example like cat. So you just blend the sounds. K, a, t. This simple proven technique means you get the power to read virtually any word you come across. That means no more guessing at all to find out the sound, right? K, a, t, cat. Likewise, okay? And coming to the second reason, it boosts your reading fluency. So when you can automatically decode words, you read faster and smoother. And here is the magic when you're not fighting to sound out things, right? So your brain is free to do the important job, which is comprehending what you're actually reading. Phonics is the direct path to becoming a smarter and quicker reader. So coming to the third, it fixes your spelling. Truly. Think of phonics as a two-way street, like a reading and spelling. So coming to reading, reading is letters to sound, one way. And the second way is spelling, which we can call it as encoding. So spelling is the exact reverse. That means sounds to letters. Okay. Reading is letters to sounds, and coming to spelling, that means sounds to letters. It's completely reverse, right? So you heard a word like shape, and you know immediately to write sh, well, it makes spelling logical. That means you don't have to rejoin that exhausting old school method of pure memorization of the words, right? The spellings. And finally, the fourth reason, it builds a rock solid foundation. Truly, English works on an alphabetic sound system. English works on an alphabetic system, and phonics is the most structured, which is reliable for mastering that system. So, forget trying to memorizing word shapes. Phonics gives you a transferable skill set that lasts for lifetime. It truly empowers you to become an independent reader. So, if you want that reading fluency and spelling confidence for yourself as a student or for your kids as a parent, phonics is the undeniable answer. So, I have got a complete deep dive guide on the 44 phonemes waiting for you right now. So, hit that link below or swipe up to join the NC Academy course and let's master the code together. Till the time, see you and take care.